Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can easily create folders for chats. So if you open up Telegram, you can see for me there are a lot of junk or um, unwanted groups and things like that. So what you can do in Telegram is create a folder for that, so that like things like this movie downloads are in this one folder. So for doing that, what you'll have to do first is open settings. So if you can see in the top bottom right corner, you can see the settings option. I'll go into that, and once you're in the settings option, you have to scroll down till you find the option data and storage. And now you can see sorry so once you're in here, you can see an option called chat folders. Click on it, and now you can see an option called create a folder. Click on create a folder, and now you can set the folder name. For this case, I'll just make it as junk, and I will click on add chats. So you can see it shows my recent chats here. So I will just add these groups, and I'll click on done. And once that's done, I'll click on create. And if I go back, you can see there's a these are moved separately as junk. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.